Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can dance on RH Dance Studio. So select this button here, and you can also find emotes, and this is like if you sync it with your friends. There's dances that you can do here. Just pick a song to dance to. I'll just do Cake. And your avatar will dance to the song. And that is pretty much it. When you want to stop dancing, just select the dance again. You can speed it up as well. But that is how you can dance on RH Dance Studio. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.